Having access to your cPanel in HostGator is awesome. There's so much more option available within the cPanel. So now I'm going to show you 2 ways to access cPanel in HostGator. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So let's go ahead and access our cPanel. There's 2 ways of doing this. On the left-hand side from your dashboard, you'll have your menu. You're going to click on hosting, and from hosting, you'll see a quick link. If you scroll slightly down, here's your cPanel right over here. You'll be able to access that. Another way to do this is actually in your actual websites tab. On the left-hand side, you're going to scroll down, look for the website that you would like to access, and here it says settings. Let's click on settings. This will now offer you a few options. In the ribbon right at the top over here, you'll see advanced. Let's click on that, and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see cPanel, and you can click on manage. It'll open it up in a new tab. And this is your cPanel.